Hey there, if you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. For this project, I already have the poses I want my character to be able to use. You'll notice that they're all cropped to the same size, and none of them have a mouth. The first thing you want to do for this project is download the code from GitHub. The link to the GitHub is in the description below. First, press the green download button and then press download zip. Now you can just take the folder and drag it onto your desktop. Next, you want to download Docker Desktop. There's a link in the README, or you can just look up Docker Desktop and it'll be the first link. Just run the exe and then wait until it's installed. And once you get here, just reboot your computer. Once your computer is rebooted, you're probably going to get an error that looks like this. This means you don't have WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux installed yet. Follow steps 1 through 5 to get everything set up. This will include launching PowerShell as an administrator, and just copying and pasting some commands into there, and also downloading the WSL2 Linux kernel package. Then press the restart button on Docker. Once this window opens up, reboot your computer again. When you reboot, launch Docker Desktop. In the bottom left, you should see the bar is now green. Now Docker is successfully installed, and it's time to install Anaconda. For this, all you need to do is download and run the installer and just press next through all the options. Now open Anaconda prompt and type cd desktop and then cd auto lip sync main, or you can just type au and then press tab. This will change the target of the terminal to that folder, but if you saved the folder into a different location, your commands would be different. So now you want to type pip install -r requirements.txt. You could also copy this command from the README. Next, you want to run conda install ffmpeg. However, because this command may change in the future, it's recommended that you copy it from the README as well. And finally, run docker pull lowerquality/gentle, and again, it's easiest if you just copy it from the README. Now, we need to create our character file. The easiest way to do this is by using the character creator, which is new to version 3. The link to this tool will be in the description, or if you go to the README under characters, there will be a link to the character creator. To start, take your first character and drag it into the top box. You may need to drag it twice in order for it to fully load. This is a bug which will hopefully be fixed in future versions. Next, position the mouth over your character by clicking and dragging. You can change the size of the mouth with the scroll wheel or with the slider at the top. Then, give this pose a memorable name. Set the Faces folder to the path where you will have your poses. For me, this will be custom/faces. Then press Add Pose and repeat for the rest of your poses. You will need to give one of your poses the name of default. This will be the pose used if there's no pose specified later. Next, press Save and put your characters.json into a safe place. Now it's time to record your audio. To do this, I am using a program called Audacity because it's free and easy to use. However, any recording software should work. Always remember to play back your audio to make sure it sounds good. Hey there, if you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. That sounds good. So now, make sure you export your audio as a WAV file. Now in the code folder, create a new folder called Custom. In this folder, put your character JSON, your audio, and your faces folder. If you want, you can also rename your character JSON. Now, if you closed it, reopen Anaconda prompt and cd back into the folder. From here, run python animate.py and then -c and the path to your character JSON, and -a the path to your audio file. And then just press enter and let it run. Keep in mind this error is completely normal, and if it happens, don't worry about it. Now let's see how it turned out. Hey there, if you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. That looks pretty good, but I want my character to move to make it more lively. To do this, we will create a timestamps file. Open your custom folder in Audacity, and just drag the audio file into Audacity to open it. Then create a new text file and name it something memorable. Now go through the audio file and find what timestamps you want each pose to be at. I want my character to start in the crossed arms position, so I will write 0 and then a space and then crossed. This is because I want the pose to begin at 0 milliseconds and the name of the pose is crossed. Hey there, if you're on this video, hey there. Right after the hey there, I want to swap to my basic talking pose, which is named default. When I click on the spot, I can see in the bottom left that it is at 812 milliseconds in. It does not need to be exact because it will round to the next word. If you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. Once you have your timestamps done, rerun the command but add a -ts and then the path to the timestamps file. Hey there, if you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. And that's the animation. But there's one more thing we can do to make the command we need to type a little shorter. You'll notice I am saying -c custom my character. However, all the animations I make are with the same character, so it doesn't make sense to need to type it in every single time. Instead, I can add it as a default in my config.txt. To do this, open the file and type character equals and then the path. Now you can run the command without that argument and you'll get the same thing. Hey there, if you're on this video, you probably want to make animations that look like this. So now you're going to see exactly how to do it. That's everything. Thank you so much for watching. If you still have any questions, comments, concerns, either say them down below in the comments or join the Discord server and I can help you there. And I'll see you guys next time on the main channel where I have another video coming out soon. Bye.